description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. It's been like 3 weeks since I've done a review. I've been busy doing top 10 stuff, but anyways, let's get on with it. This is one from China. I don't remember the brand. It's in the title of the video and post. This is a hot and sour broad noodle, and I'm really keen on broad noodle. Here is the noodle. The instructions are a little... So, it looks like what you're supposed to do is heat it, drain it, and then heat it again. But I figure I'll just rinse it under hot water, and that should, in theory, do the same deal. I need my scissors. Where'd they go? I was just staring at scissors. Yeah, it's been a while. This is weird. Not bad weird, but good weird. So I will tell you of all the come on. There they go. There goes in broad, very broad noodles. Seriously broad noodle. And I am rinsing my noodles. Giving my noodles a little toss, as it were. Okay. Now, you should know, this is in a bowl. Okay, I don't know what happened. I think maybe I dripped water on the phone. Is that what happened? Yep, that's exactly what happened. Okay, we're good. We're good. Don't worry. Don't worry. You're just fine. So I'm going to drop these noodles in this pot, and I will drain them once they've gone for a while. There's no thing that says exactly how much time they steep for. There is a big number 5 on the front of the package. I'm going with that. I think that makes some sense. Alright, so 5 minutes. So, God, what I've been up to? I've been doing all sorts of crazy business, mainly involving the top 10 lists. The other day, I did 6. I got 6 top 10s all figured out. I think this is garnish, so I am slapping it in. I think the idea is that you clean up the noodle, and then you put the garnish in, then you drain it, and then you add all the sauce. No, yeah, anyways. It's working. Oh, and it also comes with something that is a rarity in the world of instant noodles. These come with, are these? I think these are plastic. I am not 100%. That's plastic, and that's wood. Okay. But it comes with, wait for it. That's funny. One of these seems to work, and one of these seems to not work correctly. But it comes with chopsticks, which I won't be using. But, yeah, kids had spring break. Right before spring break, they played musical chairs of being sick. So my wife had 2 weeks ago on Monday, she had that day off. So I hung out with her, didn't do anything. And then the next 2 days, my daughter was homesick. And the next 2 days after that, my son was homesick. So it was like 2 weeks I couldn't really get out, and I had to like do sick kid papa duty, which is okay. And here we are. And this is the end of that third week. I got a bunch of stuff ready for top 10s. When I do top 10s, there's a lot of stuff involved. I've got to round up all the individual pictures that'll be in the video. I've got to make the post. I did for the global. I've still got 5 more. I got to shoot the video. That's really the hardest part. I got to have it quiet in here. I got to have the ability to set up the room to, you know, I've got a green screen. I've got lighting. I got tripods and crap. So I got to set all that crap up and be able to have a good chunk of time to be able to shoot video. That worked out. I did, like I said, 6 of them in one day, and that's a lot. That's a whole lot. I drank a ton of caffeine. Just like, yeah, I'm in the mood for more caffeine right now. I'm gonna go grab a caffeinated beverage. I think that's a good idea. I just got back from I went out and walked a bunch. The weather is like freaking wonderful right now. And yeah, I like that. Been doing the whole buy nothing thing. I ended up getting a pair of Amazon Echoes, like, that are kind of older, not the little dot ones, but the tower ones, which aren't really useful to me. But I also got an Echo subwoofer. I've got that set up with 2 speakers and in the front, and boy, it sounds really nice. I'm like, yeah, I'm surprised how good it sounds. So that's cool. We're going to get a new couch. That's a plus. Updated my top 10, or it's not even a top 10. It's my chili crisp and crunch list. That was a good thing. But yeah, a lot of sitting in front of the computer and a lot of like walking, which it's like I like to either do a lot of one and less of the other. My oh man, my hurts. But I like to do more walking than sitting, honestly. But I'm getting back into that this week, that's for sure. I used to walk like, God, up to 20 miles a day. But that wasn't good for my marriage. She got kind of burnt out on me being gone all the time, and once she let that be known, I was very like, okay. Yeah. But I don't know. I like being hanging out at home more often too. My wife had her birthday. She turned 21. And as cute and vibrant as ever. I got her a banana cream pie and a hand spa thing. It's called a paraffin bath. It's like you dip your hands in the wax. So that's kind of fun. And took her out to Mexican food. Oh my God! We we like to cook at home, right? So it's been quite a while since we went somewhere for food. And I gotta tell you, it's gone up in price. It's like, macho burrito, right? Aren't those things usually like 10, 12 bucks? Nope, they're 20 now. And this is like a place we've gone to in the past. And it's just like now they're really freaking expensive. Oh my God, look at these noodles. Wow. Look. Belt noodles. Thick. This is not like Byung. Oh, I guess it's kind of Byung-esque. But very floppy, slippery. Let's give it a try. Huh. It's definitely a hot and sour. It's not bad. I like that. It's kind of... The noodles are so thick. Here, I gotta do this. Apologies. The noodles are so freaking thick. It's like really hard to... It feels like something bad's gonna happen when you swallow them. I don't know how else to put it. It's like they kind of slip around. Okay. I'm going with scallion. I mean, come on. Some scallion I got yesterday? Yeah, I got those yesterday. And I usually just use my skillet and an egg ring, but I have this thing and I've had it for a long time. It's just like a mini one fried egg deal. And I don't know, I'm kind of scared of it. I don't want the egg to... I need the spatula. Let's try this thing out. There we go, there we go. Let go. There you are. That's not bad. Give you some seeds on that. So yeah, I got this one at one of my favorite Asian groceries around. It's called S-Mart. Kind of like if you're a fan of the movie Army of Darkness, you'll be like, S-Mart? You mean Shop Smart? Shop S-Mart? I'm like, exactly. But, yeah. And a little bit, I like that egg thingy, but the egg is just a little too big. And this is store brand chili crisp. This is from our Safeway down the road. I was just so fascinated that they would actually carry such a thing. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. But there's our slimy, enormous broad noodle deal. So watch it rotate. Hey, and we got batteries too. All right, well, this has been fun. It's so weird not doing reviews for a long period of time and then coming back to it. I'm hoping my head isn't cut off. Yeah, there we go. Anyways, for the next one, this is probably going to get put out well before. And so you'll see something that I did before now as the next episode, most likely. But this here is Totino's Ramen Noodles Cheese Pizza. If you look it up on my channel, you'll find it. I mean, I'm thinking of putting this out on Monday. What is it for you? August? September? I don't know. I haven't looked in a while. But yeah, this'll get pushed out real quick. And I don't know what the next episode will be, but the episode after that is going to be this collaboration between Sapporo Ichiban and Marutai. This is their Hakata style original tonkatsu flavor ramen for the US market. And I found that at S-Mart as well. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Eater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.